Today I'm going to show you how you can send and receive fax messages from your Realme 9 Pro Plus. So, at the start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Play Store. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So, we have to open it. Now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now if you want to add a document, just click on this little plus and choose the source of it. I will pick something from a gallery, like this one, and click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. So, now you can add this shape of your document to make it more specific, and click arrow if you're ready. Now you can add a filter for your photo to make it more visible. If you are ready, click upside icon. You can also add a signature by this icon here. Signature, graffiti, or just a text. So you can type your signature, click accept, and that's it. So if you are in this window, now type the number in this place. Don't forget to choose the country. Optionally, you can give a small note here, and now you can choose more documents from maybe other stores, like before, or if you want to send only this one, click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.